Looking to create super elevation that smoothly transitions along curves without complex calculations or time-consuming steps? Then welcome to this present trade tutorial on how to apply super elevation using civil site design. In the previous video, we worked on a 15-meter wide road that widened along the curve to improve truck maneuverability. That widening was done automatically with civil site design using a variation based on a polyline. Now let's build on that and create super elevation for the same section, before the curve, through the curve, and after it. Let's get started. Click on the Design Data Form button and select the road. You'll see two very poly-widened boxes already highlighted in mint green. These are from the previous variation that we made in the previous video, one for the right side and one for the left. If we open the section viewer, you'll notice the road starts with a standard crown section, 2% slope down to both sides. Now let's begin applying the super elevation. Click on the variation box, then open the data entry panel. From the list of tools, choose Linearly Vary Section Slope and/or Width. This tool lets us gradually change the slope across a range. Once selected, the settings will appear on the right side. First, we'll apply super elevation for the section before the curve. Start by selecting the code. In this case, we will begin with REB. For start and end chainage, you can either type them or click the chainage selector button and choose the locations directly from the drawing. For accuracy, we'll choose the points already highlighted in the drawing. Civil Site Design will automatically detect the closest valid chainage section. Set width to set and enter 3.5 for both start and end values. Set slope to set as well. We'll start at -2 and end at 3. Check the box for Create Chainage at Start and click Add Update. Once applied, you'll see a new box appear, VaryLeg, also highlighted in mint green. Let's check the section viewer. You'll see the right slope gradually transitioning from -2 to 3 across the section, just as we set it. Now it's time to repeat the process, but for the left side, so we will keep the settings as it is. But in the code, we will choose LEB. Now that we've finished applying the changes to the left side, let's open the section viewer. You'll notice that both the right and left sides now share the same slope, transitioning smoothly just as we defined. Civil Site Design has automatically handled all the calculations and applied them perfectly. Next, we'll apply super elevation along the curve itself. Repeat the same steps, selecting the chainages that cover the curved portion of the road. Once you're done, check the section viewer. You'll see the super elevation applied smoothly with a clean transition exactly as intended. Now we move to the section after the curve. For this part, we reversed the slope transition. Start with a slope of 3 and go back to a crown of -2. Check the Create Chainage at End box this time and click Add Update. And don't forget the left side as well. Let's take one more look in the section viewer. You'll see a smooth transition from crown before the curve to full super elevation across the turn and then back to crown afterward. And just like that, your super elevation is complete. If you run Auto Model now, you'll see that the surface has been automatically updated with all the variations we applied. And of course, you can edit the surface to display even more detail if needed. And here you have it. Super elevation applied step by step, the smart way with Civil Site Design. Contact Present Trade now to get your free trial and see how much easier road design can be.